In a show of solidarity, prominent personalities such as Carla Bruni, Charlotte Rampling, and numerous other public figures have joined forces to denounce the recent allegations of rape against legendary French actor Gerard Depardieu. In an open letter released to the public, almost 60 actors and public figures have lent their support to Depardieu amidst the ongoing controversy. The letter, which has gained significant attention, emphasizes the signatories' belief in the principle that individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Highlighting the importance of due process, the public figures assert that it is crucial to refrain from immediate judgment and allow the legal system to investigate the claims thoroughly. The letter also expresses concerns that the accusations against Depardieu have led to a kind of public lynching, thereby denying him the fair trial he deserves. Notably, among the signatories is Charlotte Rampling, a renowned British actress known for her exceptional talent and longevity in the entertainment industry. Adding weight to the support, former French First Lady Carla Bruni, who herself has experienced the scrutiny of being in the public eye, has also joined the cause. The diverse group of personalities represented in the letter further demonstrates the widespread concern surrounding the case and the belief in Depardieu's innocence. Depardieu, a highly respected actor with a career spanning several decades, has found himself at the center of controversy in recent weeks. While the allegations against him are serious, it is important to remember that accusations alone should not condemn someone. By signing this letter, the public figures involved aim to promote a fair and unbiased investigation into the allegations, urging society not to rush to judgment based on unsubstantiated claims. The open letter calling for support for Depardieu has ignited a debate on the presumption of innocence and the need for a thorough legal process. With these prominent personalities lending their voices, the case has drawn attention not only to the specific allegations, but also to broader questions about the treatment of individuals in the court of public opinion. While the legal proceedings will ultimately determine the truth, the public figures involved hope that their collective support will remind society of the importance of fairness and justice.